Hello. Today, let's talk about creating dependencies and sharing data between tests. Let's start by opening our test collection file. Sometimes, one test needs to use data from another test. This creates a dependency between tests, requiring a mechanism to share data across them. In our example, I want to make a request to retrieve a user by ID. This ID should be real, existing in the system. To find it, I'll first make a request to get a list of users, and then pass one of the IDs to the next test. Let's update the test collection to achieve this. I'll be using VS Code. First, I need to name the request that retrieves the list of users. Next, I'll define a context section, specifying a pattern to extract the ID of the first user. For this context, I'll define a name and type. The type indicates whether the context will be used as a variable or as a secret. Once the context is defined, it can be used in any subsequent requests. Now, let's move to the next test and set the dependency. Here, we'll reference the name of the first test. Finally, we'll define ID context will be used in the request URI. Let's run the collection and review the result details. We can see that all tests have passed, and the real user ID was successfully passed to the second request. That's it. We've learned how to create dependencies and share context between tests. In the next chapter, we'll implement running these tests in our CI/CD pipeline on GitHub. See you there.